Okay, let's look at the practice exam 2, problem number 1. Right, so let's look at part A. Right, so we want to find the limit of f of x as x approaches 0. Right, so 0 is right here. Right, so this is a two-sided limit. You need to approach from both sides. So if you're coming from the left-hand side, so you're approaching, so you follow the graph and you're heading toward this point right here, which is the origin, and whose y-coordinate is 0, right? So if you're coming from here, it's approaching 0. But if you're coming from the right, you can see that it's approaching a different point, whose y-coordinate is 1. So these two one-sided limits do not match. Therefore, the two-sided limit does not exist. So just write D and E. Right? So in order for this two-sided limit, one-sided limit, left-hand limit and a right-hand limit have to give you the same number. Otherwise, you just have to say that limit does not exist. All right, part B, f of 0. So this is the exact function value when x equals 0. So you go to 0, then you can see that, so go up and down and try to find the graph. And the graph is sitting right here, right? So this guy has the y-coordinate 1, right? So therefore, the function value is 1 at x equals 0. Right? Part C. Right? This is a one-sided limit. You're coming from the left and at 1. So you're approaching 1. So 1 is right here. Right? You're approaching from the left because of the little negative sign. So you're approaching this point whose y-coordinate is 1. Right, so we know that this guy is 1. All right, this is coming from the right at 1. So you're approaching 1 from the right hand side. So here you're approaching that point, which is the same point whose y-coordinate is 1. So right hand limit is 1. All right. Since left-hand limit and a right-hand limit are equal to each other, this basically tells you the two-sided limit is going to be the same value. So this is going to be 1. So we don't even have to look at the picture once you know C and D. All right. Then last one, f of 1. So again, you go to 1, go up and down and look for a point or a graph. And graph is sitting right here, right? Whose y-coordinate is -2, right? So therefore, function value is -2. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.